you can go further. You sang it so beautifully, so beautifully. You don't need to steal anybody's vote. You're getting plenty of your own.
Stop getting distracted by the paper.
You know what I love is the Lauren that we first saw in Nashville is roaring back. Listen, we believed in you since day one. We all said when we saw you, oh my God, this girl is so talented. You made that song sound like, and you sung it like it was written for you, and it's a great, great song. So I think you did an amazing job, babe. Amazing job.
Lauren, you were the first idol we thought of when everybody was trying out in the very beginning. And I love what you bring to a song, and I love more what a song brings to you. And how you own it in your spirit and your voice, more importantly. Every time you sing, I hear it in the first verse. It's just beautiful. Again, you move me beyond tears.
You seem very comfortable with that. Lauren?
I love that song. It means a lot to me. It's perfect for what I'm doing right now. And just everything about that song just screams idol.
Cat.
Well, good
Stop
job.
it.
If you'd like to vote for Lauren, it's 1-866-IDOL-02, 1-866-436-5702, or text the word vote to 5702. At the end of tonight's show, Lauren, ladies and gentlemen.